Hi friends, this is Niranjana. Welcome to my channel. So today I share you delicious mango ice cream with butterscotch crunch recipes. Basically it's a homemade recipe. So here I don't use any CMC powder or ice cream powder to make this one.
Here I want to add one thing. When I tasted this ice cream, then the mango and the butterscotch flavor makes a different taste of this ice cream.
So let's look at this recipe. For this ice cream, I need 1 cup or 250 gram of mango pulp or puree. So I take 2 mangoes. The number of mangoes depend on its size. It may be 2 or 3 or more. Now I take 1 cup or 250 gram of full fatted whipped cream or heavy cream into a bowl and keep it into an ice bowl. Then I blend it with a beater. Here I use a ice bowl because heavy cream need to be chilled. The whipped cream will whip up faster if this bowl and beater are chilled as well. After completing this, I added half cup or 125 ml of condensed milk, 1 cup or 250 gram of mango pulp or puree, and 1/8 cup or 30 gram of milk powder with it, and mix it well. After mixing all these things, I add half teaspoon or 2.5 ml of mango essence and half teaspoon or 2.5 ml of vanilla essence with it and mix it properly. Now at the end of this recipe, I added some butterscotch crunch with it. So if you want to know about this butterscotch crunch recipe, then please click on the right up corner I button or check it out on the description box of this video. Now I keep this mixture into an airtight container and cover it with plastic wrapper. And freezing it for 10 to 11 hours. Now scoop it into an ice cream bowl and serve it to your loved one and enjoy. If you like our recipe, then please give this video a big thumbs up and do not forget to leave your suggestion and comment in the comment section below. You can also hit the subscribe button to get this type of recipe, and do not forget to share this recipe to your loved one. Thanks for watching this video.